How to generate a random rap song using AI. First, you need to get the lyrics. So I'm using ChatGPT. Let's generate some random song lyrics. Let's say, "Here, here, a rap song related to clouds." Okay, so I'm getting the words or lyrics. Nice. Okay. So we gotta land this song here. Next, you want to go to suno.com, suno.com. When you load the website, you have in the left side the create button. So you can click on the create, and then you can see the custom mode, song description, instrumental. So you can create custom mode. So you get this guide. Start with lyrics, choose a style, extend your song, unleash your creativity. So I'll just click on the get started. Um, so you can see when you click on the lyrics, please accept our terms to make a song with custom lyrics. Suno is designed for creating original music. Please confirm you will only submit AI generated lyrics, only lyrics or original lyrics or lyrics to which you otherwise hold rights to continue. So what I will do is I will just accept it since I already generated from the AI. I would I'm okay with it. So I'll just type um, wrap clouds. I'll just copy. Oh, generation limit. Let's say a smaller one. Copy, paste again. Okay. So next, when after you pasting the lyrics, what you can do is for now, like I'll say, use random style. Um, maybe in that. No, let the fast wrap. Say hip hop. Let's quit. Okay, so you can see now it's generating. Okay, it's generated. So I got two songs. Let's play and see.
Floating on clouds, I'm feeling so light. In the sky, high kingdom taking flight. Majestic formation shapes in the sky, where dreams and fantasies learn to fly. Cloud nine, we're on the rise, in the boundless blue, under open skies, with the wind as our guide. We're all free in celestial dance, just you.
Okay, let's play the next one.
Floating on clouds, I'm feeling so light. In the sky, high kingdom taking flight. Majestic formation shapes in the sky, where dreams and fantasies learn to fly. Cloud nine, we're on the rise in the boundless blue under open.
Wow. Nice. I'll just try rap. Great. Let's say with the okay. It's generating. It's generating. Okay, let's play.
Floating on clouds, I'm feeling so light in the sky. High kingdom taking flight, majestic formation, shapes in the sky where
Wow.
dreams and fantasies learn to fly. Crown nine, we're on the rise in the boundless blue under open skies. If the wind is our guide, we're all free in this celestial dance, just you and me. Soft below the pillows, painted with gray.
Okay, let's say the next one.
Floating on clouds, I'm feeling so light. In the sky, high kingdom taking flight. Majestic formation, shapes in the sky.
Wow, that's incredible. So you can put any words, any lyrics into this custom mode, and you can generate songs. Um, and please make sure you don't copy anyone's music or work, any artist lyrics. You just try to create your own thing, and you can generate any songs. And also, you can share this as well. So you can turn on the public, and then you can see this copy song link button, and you can just copy the link, and you can share with your friends as well. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.
Where dreams and fantasies learn to fly. Cloud nine.